The newly designed front-load Frigidaire Affinity Laundry Collection features easy-to-use, time-saving features that help you care for your clothes like never before. This largest-in-class 4.4 cubic foot ultra-capacity front-load washer lets you clean larger loads, which also means fewer loads. ENERGY STAR qualified, it provides a better, gentler cleaning, using up to 30% less energy and water. You can easily add a garment to the LED-lighted stainless steel drum even after the wash cycle has begun with the simple touch of a button. And an array of specialty cycles that clean everything from teddy bears to activewear. There's even an energy saver option that further reduces energy use up to 60%. Not only that, the Frigidaire Affinity Laundry Pair is NSF certified to remove up to 95% of allergens and 99.9% of bacteria. Advanced vibration control keeps even oversized loads balanced for smooth, quiet operation. The matching largest-in-class 7.0 cubic foot ultra-capacity dryers allow the dry time to equal the wash time, so you don't wait for clothes to dry and can finish more laundry even faster. Affinity's Ready Steam feature effectively removes wrinkles and refreshes clothes, and DrySense technology dries clothes more precisely, reducing wrinkles. The dryer's energy saver option reduces energy use up to 35%. Upgrade to the innovation and quality of Frigidaire Affinity washers and dryers today. Ask our team for more information on the quality Affinity Laundry Collection from Frigidaire.